Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're checking out the best indoor grill with air fry that can completely upgrade the way you cook at home. If you want grilled flavor and crispy air-fried texture without stepping outside, this might be perfect for you. Let's get started. The Elite Gourmet EAF 2411G Indoor Grill with Air Fry is a true multitasking kitchen appliance. It comes with a generous 11-liter capacity, giving you plenty of space to cook for the whole family. Whether you are preparing a quick dinner or hosting friends, this grill is built to handle large portions with ease. Inside, you get a heavy-duty die-cast grill insert that delivers those beautiful grill marks and even cooking. It also includes a non-stick air frying and dehydrating rack. The non-stick surface makes food release easy and cleaning much simpler. You can cook with little to no oil, which means you still get crispy and delicious results, but with fewer extra calories compared to traditional frying. One of the best features of the Elite Gourmet EAF 2411G Indoor Grill with Air Fry is its 8 preset cooking functions. You can choose from pizza, dessert, bread, seafood, chicken, steak, fries, and dehydrate. These presets take the guesswork out of cooking. With just a touch, the appliance sets the right temperature and time for your chosen dish. It is perfect for busy days when you want reliable results without constant checking. You also get adjustable timer and temperature controls. This gives you full flexibility if you want to customize your cooking. Bake a 10-inch pizza with a crispy crust, roast a whole chicken until it is juicy inside, or grill steaks exactly the way you like them. The spacious interior easily fits large cuts of meat and different ingredients at the same time. Health is a big focus here because the Elite Gourmet EAF 2411G uses air circulation technology. You can grill and air fry with minimal oil. That means you can enjoy crispy fries, tender fish, and golden chicken with less guilt. It is a great way to enjoy your favorite comfort foods while making smarter choices. The versatility does not stop there. This appliance supports baking, roasting, grilling, air frying, and dehydrating. You can even make homemade jerky or dried fruit snacks. It truly replaces multiple kitchen tools with one compact device, helping you save counter space. To help you get started, the Elite Gourmet EAF 2411G Indoor Grill with Air Fry includes a guide and 25 recipes. This gives you inspiration and confidence to try new meals right away. Whether you are cooking everyday dinners or experimenting with new flavors, you have helpful ideas ready to go. In terms of design, it looks modern and stylish on the countertop. The digital display is easy to read and simple to operate. It feels solid and well-built, designed for regular use in a busy kitchen. Grill smarter. Eat better. If you want a versatile appliance that brings together grilling and air frying in one convenient unit, this is a fantastic option. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.